Doctor Who went to the same school as Dr. Pepper, the old school. And nowhere else to go. Poet. That was some real shit. Thank you for saying that. Here's some much less real shit. I too was at the workshop today that Forrest was talking about. I guess I'll read my pieces too. This one started with an advertisement. Without fantasy football, what would you talk about? Bout of diarrhea, diorama, Futurama, Dio in a nutshell, what the hell? Remember forever, ever long, forever is a long time, forgetting wine. One line, not enough to get through, drive through, who's who. Doctor Who went to the same school as Dr. Pepper, the old school. Old fools, cool, wisdom, kingdom. It is wise not to have kings. And your cage bird sings, home on the range, single floor, stomach strange, arms deranged. I built these hands for sniffing, now I can never turn off. Heartstrings, onion rings, fart bling, diamond encrusted butt beads. Can't read the tear on your cheek. So much less important than derivatives. Very importantly misunderstood. Okay, and here's the other one, which makes even less sense. American gods, myths, synths, photosynthesis, churches, plants, power, sour, sweet, lover, tart, pop, punk, pussy, clit, shit, legit, come with, out, in, sin, bin, pornography, Final Fantasy, pushing buttons, ties, pulling, jackets, buying, blind, melon, fruit, knife, spoon, spork, Taco Bell, sauce, packet, lacking, slacking, sliding, taste, paste, copy control, V, Vendetta, Odessa, Midlands, Highlands, gentrification, California nation, Pacific Ocean, constipation, solid sheets, 3 wings, blowing bowels, cocaine, residuals, image, mirror, resin, bowl, control, AB, start CD, 8-track field, party, toast, Durango, Chevrolet, getting laid, fuck truck, getting lucky cars, birthdays, anniversaries, death day, cabaret, party, hose, drag shows, big reveal, tip box, socks on a cock, lockdown, the gun parade, May Day, may the day never come before I do. Do, wave the towel, too beautiful, curling iron face, lying, crying, flying, not lying, back, relax, X, lax, redone, toilet paper, pen, feather, weather, frozen dinner, steak, Salisbury, buried treasure, golden nuggets, Denver, basketball, marijuana, Mary Jane, full of grace, rage, face to face, disconnected, music, television, JFK, blown away, what else do I have to say?